Ever noticed how some people just glide into a room and instantly exude confidence? It's not about their clothes, their jewelry, or their smiles. It's their posture. Yes, that's right. How you hold your body can totally change the way you're perceived. And let me tell you, Old Money posture secrets are all about looking effortlessly elegant. So, if you're ready to look like royalty, stick around. In just a few minutes, you'll learn the posture hacks that will make you look and feel like a queen. No crown required. Let's dive in. The Old Money posture secret: effortless elegance. Let's get one thing straight. Posture isn't about standing straight like you're a board. A lot of people think the key to good posture is just standing up straight with your chest out and shoulders back. Wrong. If you do that, you'll look stiff, uncomfortable, and frankly, like you're trying too hard. Here's the real secret: effortless elegance. Wealthy women know this. They don't look rigid, they look poised. So, what's the trick? Imagine a string tied to the top of your head, gently pulling you upward. This is how you get that tall, relaxed look. You want to feel like your head is being lifted from the crown, but your shoulders should stay relaxed, not tensed. Think of it like your body is naturally reaching for the sky, but with the calmness of a yoga pose, not a military parade. Royal women and ballerinas seem to move with this natural grace. It's not just about spine alignment, it's about how they move fluidly through space. Posture isn't just about standing still, it's how you carry yourself through every movement. Number 1. Neck and chin position. Alright, let's talk about one of the most underrated elements of posture: your neck and chin position. Now, I know this might sound like a small detail, but trust me, it's a game changer when it comes to looking confident. The biggest mistake I see people make is tilting their chin either too high or too low. And let me tell you, both of these scream insecurity. When your chin is tilted too high, you're trying way too hard to look like the boss. It's like you're overcompensating. On the flip side, if you're constantly looking down, you appear closed off or like you're hiding. Neither of these give off that cool, confident vibe you want. So what's the trick? Keep your chin parallel to the ground and slightly tuck it, as if it's resting on an invisible shelf. This simple adjustment elongates your neck and creates that elegant, poised look that's so effortless. Your head should sit comfortably on top of your body, like a sculpture, but not stiff or rigid. Here's why this works. It screams quiet confidence. It doesn't say, "I'm in charge," outright, but it's a subtle cue that you don't need to try. The best part? It works instantly. When you hold your chin this way, you send the message that you're calm, collected, and in control. Royal families know the power of this small gesture. It's a silent symbol of authority and respect. The way you hold your head shows respect for others and demands respect in return. Number 2. The shoulder glide technique. Okay, let's talk about the classic slouch for a second. We've all been there, right? But if you think the solution is just forcing your shoulders back like you're in a military drill, think again. I promise you, that's not the look you're going for. You'll just look stiff, awkward, and honestly, it's like you're trying way too hard. Nobody's buying it. So here's the fix: the shoulder glide technique. Sounds fancy, right? But trust me, it's easy and works like a charm. Start by standing tall, then roll your shoulders up, back, and then let them drop naturally. It's a smooth, gentle roll. No force, no tension. What happens? Your chest opens up and you look relaxed yet strong. This is the key. You want to look like you're gliding through life effortlessly, not posing like a statue. It's not about locking your shoulders back and holding them there like you're a mannequin. The secret is in the flow and the movement. Old money women don't just stand still, they move gracefully. Posture isn't about freezing in one position, it's about transitioning between movements with grace. So whether you're sitting, standing, or walking, it's all about that smooth, fluid motion. And trust me, once you get this down, you'll look like you're living in a whole different world of elegance. Number 3. the hips and core connection. Alright, let's talk about your walk. It's not just about putting one foot in front of the other, it's about how you carry yourself when you move. Do you know that whole shuffle thing? It's a big no-no. Walking timidly or dragging your feet won't exactly scream royalty or confidence. If you want to strut like you own the place, here's the secret. Engage your core. Yes, that's right. The powerhouse that keeps everything in place. When your core is engaged, you walk with more confidence and control. It's like flipping a switch from meh to yes, I've got this. But wait, there's more. Press lightly into the ball of your foot before stepping forward. This creates a glide, a smooth, effortless movement. Imagine you're walking on clouds, not stomping around like you're late for a meeting. You're gliding, and it looks stunning. Ever wonder why models on luxury runways always look like they're floating? It's this exact trick. They've mastered the art of walking with poise and purpose. The secret is all in how you move. So, next time you walk into a room, don't just stroll in. Glide in like you own it. You'll feel the difference, and trust me, others will too. Number 4. The hand and arm elegance hack. If your arms are stiff or hanging by your sides like you've just given up on life, it's going to throw off your entire vibe. So, what's the fix? Cue the silk scarf trick. Picture this. You're holding a delicate silk scarf in your hands, not gripping it, but just lightly holding it, like you're cradling something precious. This little hack works wonders for your arm movements. It'll keep them elegant and natural, without looking stiff or awkward. You'll feel way more graceful, trust me. And when you're sitting down, don't cross your arms or clutch the chair like you're preparing for a storm. Rest your hands gently on your lap or the sides of the chair. It's subtle, but it makes all the difference. It shows that you're relaxed, yet still in control. Oh, and never underestimate the power of subtle hand gestures. A slight tilt of the hand, a soft touch to your necklace, it all counts. Less is more. The most powerful women don't overdo it. They know that the simplest gestures have the biggest impact. So, start paying attention to how you move your arms and hands. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. The posture habit that rich women swear by. Okay, let's talk about the posture habit that the wealthy swear by. You know what separates the elite from the rest of us? Consistency. It's not enough to just have good posture when you're out in public or when you're trying to impress. Wealthy women practice their posture every single day. And trust me, it works. Here's the hack. Place a book on your head and walk for 3 minutes every day. Sounds a little quirky, right? But I promise you, it's a game changer. This little trick trains your body to naturally align without you having to overthink it. It'll help you stand taller and look more confident without even trying. Plus, your spine is going to thank you later. Who knew good posture could be so easy? If you're sitting for long periods, here's another tip. Roll up a towel and place it behind your lower back for lumbar support. It's like giving your spine a little hug. Keep both feet flat on the ground, no slouching. A little tweak here and there can make a world of difference, and over time, these habits become second nature. Now, why did French aristocrats train themselves this way? Because posture wasn't just about looks. It was a symbol of class, refinement, and sophistication. It wasn't just about standing up straight. It was how you carried yourself that really set you apart. So, start practicing daily and watch how your posture and your confidence skyrocket. Alright, now that you've got the lowdown on how to look and feel like you've just stepped out of a luxury magazine, it's time to put it all into practice. Remember, confidence is all about how you carry yourself, and when you start owning that posture, people will notice the change. So go ahead, stand tall, glide in, and make a statement. Not just with your outfit, but with your presence. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're all about elevating your style and confidence, make sure to subscribe for more tips. Until next time, keep that chin up, shoulders back, and strut through life like you own it.